Hello and welcome to this new video on vehicle identification. Now, after logging into workshop data, this is what you typically see. You can see all the brands here and you can select the brand by clicking on it. In this case, I'll click on Volkswagen. I will select the Golf and I'll select the Golf 7. Now here on the left hand side, you can do either a type selection or you can select based on engine code. You can also click on Show ID Location, where you can see the VIN, where the VIN is located, the model code, or where the engine and gearbox codes are located. If available, you can also see more information on the engine and on the transmission. You can see the equipment codes. This being a Volkswagen, you can see the PR numbers and you can see where the EOBD connector is located. If I go back to the general overview, there's also a quicker way to do a selection, which is by VRM, or you can use the various other search methods such as VIN, KBA number, or engine code. And that is how you do a vehicle identification.